Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Well, today we are going to have a reading and writing lesson. In your course book on page 129, you've got a picture. Please have a look at this picture and then you answer by choosing the right item A, B, or C. So the women are going to a wedding party, marriage. B, taking food to a mosque. It is Friday and some people take the food to mosques. C, taking food to the victims of an earthquake. So there was an earthquake and people were homeless, so they are helping out. 2, the picture shows damage caused by floods, inundation. After heavy rain or torrential rain, water invaded places, the streets and so on, and causes some damage. Damage caused by an earthquake, so there was an earthquake. C, damage caused by a bomb. So there was a bomb which exploded and caused the damage. C, the women's action is a personal initiative. That means they decided, they called one another and decided to organize this action without the intervention of any external organization or institution. B, organized by a humanitarian organization, with no governmental institution or organization that helps people in disasters, or a private association. And then when you finish doing your pre-reading task, you move to your reading task. Task number 2, you scan the text and answer this question here. So you read the text carefully and then you answer this question: can disasters have good effects? We know that disaster cause destruction, loss of lives, damage, and so on. But sometimes we can be surprised. So the question here is: can disaster have good effects? So you read the text and you answer this question here, justifying your answer. Of course, if you say no, you justify. If you say yes, you justify your answer. Task number 3, find in the text words whose definitions follow. A great misfortune or disaster. Great disaster or misfortune in paragraph number 1. Paragraph number 2, the quality of being friendly or helpful to your neighbor. So when you do good to your friend, to your neighbors. So it is in paragraph number 1. C, this is a verb, to unite two pieces together with one piece and one piece. So when you unite them together, so this is the verb. Or in case of human relationship, we say to bring into complete union, harmony, agreement, two sides or two people. Task number 4, this is your production, of course, task. Then it is divided into 2 parts. Part number 1, rewrite the first paragraph using the appropriate punctuation here. So in paragraph number 1, the punctuation is missing, so you rewrite it using the appropriate punctuation. If you need a full stop, you put a full stop. If you need a comma, you put a comma. If you need a question mark, you put a question mark, and so on. Then when you finish, you do the second part here, which is rewrite the second paragraph using the reported speech. So you are going to read the second paragraph and then you report what the journalist and Rafiq said.